Welcome to StoneProof. StoneProof is an application that is helping to revolutionize how minerals are managed and enforcing traceability across all mining industries, mining sector. Let's take an example. You own a mineral badge, so you want to trace it till it is extracted, until it is sold to the final user. So without any further ado, let's get started. So basically, this application is made up of 7 layers. It's an importer, that is miner, refiner, buyer, transporter, auditor, inspector, so admin. So that is to enforce traceability. So go back to this. I have to copy this address and get started. This platform uses on-chain roles. So every role you see is managed on-chain, that is blockchain roles. So this where it has all the roles. I'm gonna check here. You see it has admin, miner, refiner, transporter, every role in this supply chain. So let's get started. The supply chain starts with the miner portal, whereby you can come here. Let's take an example. I want to register in a mineral. Let's say a mineral batch let's take an example of gold. So let's call it gold 250. Mineral type, that is gold, and origin, let's say it is from Nigeria. It has 6 kilograms. Purity, that is 98%, and storage conditions, dry press, like that. We click register mineral. So when I don't have a mineral, a miner role, I can't register a mineral. But when I have, I do, of course. So click confirm on the option. You can see, as you see here, the transaction pricing. This is the proof of transaction. So mining. Coming back here, you can see this is the mineral we just registered, and can easily see the full details of that mineral, that is origin, purity, this one, mining sector, this timestamp, that is the owner, current handler. So let's go ahead and raise a dispute on this mineral. Let's say this mineral, it's got some problems. So go and get here. You can see it is stored right here. So it is called to 50. Who is going to defend? Of course, to be the miner. So they say mineral seems unauthentic. Supporting evidence, I can put here hashes and stuff. So say mineral seems to be unauthentic. So click raise a dispute, and now when I raise a dispute, everybody in this network is going to know what is going on, is going to be notified by the dispute raised on a certain mineral. So I'll raise a dispute, and I think I'm ready to go. I can see here gold OX 4A here. It is exactly this mineral, this one right here, this one. So I come here on the notifications tab. I can see that mineral was registered, which is this OX, this was registered, that is on my portal. That is what I did. So, and going back here on the minerals, you can easily track of the minerals registered and stuff. So any further ado, let's go on. That is let's proceed with the transporter. So I want to transport that mineral from mining center to the refining center. So this is what I'm going to do. So come here on the transfer mineral tab, wait for the minerals to load. This is the mineral we are going to transfer. So the receiving party is going to be say this. It is from mining center to the refining center. So refining center. Click transfer. That is proof of traceability. That is to make sure that everybody in the network knows that certain mineral was moved from this place to this place. So click confirm. Also the transaction base scan. Here on the transporter overview, you can see you have now four trips of where that is this mineral gold 94 ending in 4A was moved from mining center to refining center, and these are the details. So when I go here on my notifications tab, I can see that mineral was transported, which is of course this one. That is the mineral that was transported. But before the notification, I was alerted that a certain mineral, this was registered. So as a transporter, I get to know that this mineral is registered. So I'm expecting a new transfer. So go back to now the supply chain moves to the from transportability to the refiner. Of course, that is where that mineral was transferred. So I have to come and log in as a refiner, as a refining company. So I'll have to, you see, this is gold that was recently shipped. And when I come back here, when I come down here, you can see that this mineral was moved to my territory. So after here, but when I also come here on my notifications tab, there is an event that says a mineral was transported exactly to my place or was handed to me. So go back to the overview minerals and go ahead and refine minerals. So once I'm alerted that a certain mineral was registered or was transported to my territory, so I'll have to come back here and say, mineral is market ready. Click submit refinement, and after that confirm transaction. You can easily see it on the base scan, and it is of course available on the base scan. This is the transaction had as a proof of existence. So coming back here on the overview page of my dashboard, you can see dashboard starts to look great, and they can see that gold, which is this has been refined by me. Of course, that was me. That's why it is highlighted on here. You can see on mineral report, there is a refining report of that gold that was refined by me. And after that, can parse it here from the refinery, go to the inspector. For a mineral to be market ready, it has to be both refined and inspected. So for buyers to get to see those minerals in their dashboard, a mineral has to be refined, both refined and inspected. So let's go ahead. You can see this is the recent shipment that has been moved. So I'm expecting something to inspect, and this is the blockchain event of that mineral we just registered. So let's go ahead and inspect the mineral. Wait a bit for them to load very well, and I have to say mineral is ready for market. Click submit inspection, and here I'm submitting an inspection report, so meaning that everyone in the network is going to be notified by the mineral that was inspected, and this is the notification I received. Mineral is inspected, and which mineral it is, gold or X ending in 4A. So basically that is how the supply chain proceeds. And overview, of course, it is here. You can see inspection report was submitted, which is this one, and then from the inspectors, once a mineral is both refined and inspected in our platform, that mineral is market ready, so it is ready to be bought. So let's go ahead to the buyer portal. So I'm entering here as a buyer, so I have to check on the minerals available to be purchased, and so that is, I do that by moving to the mineral market, to the buy mineral page, loading available minerals for purchasing. Move down, you can see gold. This is the mineral I want to purchase. So payment method, we can either use Ethereum or ERC20 tokens. So for this case, let's use Ethereum. So it takes almost $0.5 for our case. So let's go ahead and purchase that mineral, and click confirm. And when I click confirm, I can see activities implementing, and when I move to the notifications page, I can see let's say I was logging as an admin, and the mineral, of course, like it is marked as bought. Let's try to go back to the buyer portal, and let's try. Where is the miner portal? Where is that mineral we just registered? It is right here. So let's click this and try to go back to the buyer portal and try to buy that mineral. When I try to buy that mineral, I have to enter my ID manually. When I try to buy it, 0.5. You see that mineral is already sold, meaning that it has been sold in our smart contract. So let's go back, and now the remaining portal is the super admin. This is where I manage all the roles, all the on-chain roles and related operations. So you can see I keep track of all the transactions and everything. You can see these are the minerals that we are registered, inspection reports that we have done, and everything. You can see transported, this was transported, and everything. So let's go here on the roles manager. You can see, like this wallet address has basically this wallet address that I'm using. Where is it? It is here. This mineral address that I'm using, it has all the on-chain roles. It has everything. But let's try to revoke that mineral miner. So it's some fraud. It's another back and revoke a role. And once I revoke that role of a miner, this wallet address is no longer having a miner role. So when I try to log in as a miner again, I have nothing but no miner role. You see, so I can't register a mineral no more. So meaning that is how on-chain roles work and how we use them in our application. So going back to our super admin. Keep track of all the miners, all the refineries, everything, like all the auditors, inspectors, and also I keep track of the notifications I receive. You can see miner role was revoked. This one we just revoked. This is the address revoked. Miner role, inspection and stuff. Also keep track of the management of the platform. You can see auditing progress is this, inspection progress is this, and keep track of everything. These are the on-chain events, recent activities that we listen to. These are events that we get to listen to. Also, an admin can raise a dispute whenever they want it. So basically, this is how our platform technically works. But we also have an architecture design. Our platform has an architecture design. So basically, this is a project we built in the hackathon, but we look forward to make it a long-run project and hopefully a startup. So this is what we just saw. This miner portal, refiner portal, we're using portal consumer, supply chain. Also, every portal has dispute resolution portal and data nodes, data storage. We also used IPFS. I didn't have time to show you how we handle the IPFS data storages, but like everything is integrated there. Everything integrated there, and like any other blockchain application, everything is stored on the blockchain ledger. There is something I didn't show you on the miner portal. When I'm in the miner, I can easily apply to a license. Let's say I want to prospecting license and move next. Company name, let's say company name is called ABF. Registration number is this. Address is this. Click next. Project name is called ABF. Mineral type, let's say we only mine up gold. Blockchain is great. Graphic area, that is Nigeria. Rwanda. GPS coordinates, these and these. New production limit, let's say 47 tons. Click register, let's say I have cybersec, register, mental impact, yes, everything here. Financial proof, also this. Click next. An application submission, so I can submit an application for a license. You remember, like every activity that is done in the mining sector has to be licensed. So as a mining company, you have to apply for a license, and you can see there's a pending license, which is this one. So basically, that is how we handle this. These are the documents. And when we go to our Pinata cloud, we'll see all those documents aligned there. So when I click here, you can see it is the blockchain is great. This blockchain is great. Everything that we signed is there, and yes, waiting for this. You can see these are registration number. These are the details we just submitted there. You can see this is our address. Everything we put there for this shows that we are using IPFS in managing our application data, which is an on-chain storage and a very, very good approach. So basically, that is how StoneProof Labs is revolutionizing how mineral supply chains in whole Africa, and hopefully we can really put an impact on the economies of East Africa or economies of African countries. So thank you so much. Basically, this is our team. CEO on blockchain developer, front end, and also this one. So thank you so much for your time, and appreciate that. Thank you.